Chapter 10. AI Apps. Most of the people connect AI to a robot, thinking it to be capable of doing all kind of things even beyond human capacity, such as in movies Star Wars and Terminator. In reality, current technological developments utilize AI to empower us and help us go about our daily responsibilities. Artificial intelligence is being used in endless ways. As we know by now that AI is the ability of a system or a program to think and learn from the experience. Let us now learn the various types of AI-based applications. Chatbot. Popularly known as bot, a chatbot is a computer program that allows humans to interact with technology using a variety of input methods such as voice, text, gesture, and touch. Chatbots are available 24/7 and 365 days. Bots don't just rely on text anymore but can work with emoji, voice-to-speech and speech-to-voice to provide the most natural or appropriate way of working. Tech fact: between 1964 and 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum, a German-American computer scientist at MIT's Artificial Intelligence Lab, developed the first-ever chatbot. Nowadays, chatbots are used in many places. Let us take a look at some commonly used chatbot. Cookie. AI Enhanced Photo Editor. Photo editing is a tedious process. Much time is consumed in removing skin's imperfections, align tone of the sky, etc. AI Editor does it easily for its users. AI technology makes the manual tasks simpler and semi-automatic. It not only saves time but gives great results. There are many AI photo editors available. Let us take a look at Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom. It is easy to use photo editor. It has simple interface and it can be used by amateur as well as professional photo editors. Navigational apps. There are many apps that use AI and GPS to provide real-time directions. Let us take a look at Google Maps. Google Maps. Google Maps use AI to analyze the speed of movement of traffic. It also takes in the user-reported incidents, such as traffic accidents or road construction, to predict how long it will take the user to reach his destination and uses that information to suggest the fastest route. Cookie. Cookie is one of the best AI chatbot app which has the capability to reason with specific objects. It is formerly known as Mitsuku. It is created from PandaRobots AIML technology by Steve Verswick. This chatbot has won in Turing test competition known as Loebner Prize 5 times. Voice assistants. A voice assistant is also called AI assistant or digital assistant. It is an application program that understands natural language voice commands and completes tasks for the user. It uses voice recognition, speech synthesis, and natural language processing (NLP) to provide a service through a particular application. The smartphone industry witnessed a new trend of voice assistant apps over the years. Let us know about Google Voice Assistant. Google Voice Assistant. Google Assistant is an artificial intelligence-powered virtual assistant developed by Google that is primarily available on mobile and smart home devices. Rideshare apps. There are various rideshare apps. Let us discuss. Ola. Ola is a ride-sharing app built on AI and machine learning capabilities. This enables it to continuously learn and evolve from data every single day. This improves risk signaling and instant resolution of some common problem. Social media. Social media has benefited heavily from the development and integration of AI in Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, etc. Let us take a look at Facebook. Facebook. Facebook is a popular free social networking website that allows its users to create profiles, upload photos and videos, send messages, and keep in touch with friends, family, and colleagues. Knowledge Zone. Facebook began using facial recognition in the US in 2010 when it automatically tagged people in photos using its tag suggestion tool. The tool scans a user's face and offers suggestions about who that person is.